How do I prevent unauthorized access to a multiple-user Instagram account?
Hello, Instagram enthusiasts. In today's digital era, the safety of your online accounts should be a top priority. Especially when we're talking about Instagram accounts that are used by multiple people. Today, we'll be talking about how to prevent unauthorized access to a multi-user Instagram account. Stick around for some valuable tips and tricks.
Why is account security important?
Before we jump into the specifics, let's discuss why account security is crucial. With multiple people having access to the same account, the likelihood of unauthorized access or data breaches increases. The impacts could be serious: loss of data, tarnished brand image, or even loss of the account. Therefore, maintaining the security of your Instagram account is not just a recommendation, it's a necessity.
Use strong, unique passwords.
The first line of defense for any account is a strong, unique password. Avoid using easily guessable passwords such as password 123 feet or admin. Instead, opt for passwords that are at least 8 characters long. Use a mix of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special symbols. Also, remember to update the password regularly, say every 3 to 6 months. And most importantly, each user should know not to share this password with anyone outside the approved list of users.
Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA.
Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your account. With 2FA enabled, whenever a login attempt is made from a new device, a verification code will be sent to a trusted device or phone number. This code must be entered to gain access. Instagram offers 2FA and it is highly recommended to activate it.
Regularly review account activity.
Regularly review the account activity. Instagram provides insights such as login activity, where you can see a list of the locations where you've logged in from. If there are any suspicious activities or unrecognized logins, take immediate action by changing the password and informing all the authorized users.
Limit the number of people with access.
The more people have access to your Instagram account, the more likely it is to get compromised. Therefore, limit the number of users who have access to the account. Only individuals who absolutely need to have access to the account should have the login information. And there you have it. With these measures in place, you can greatly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your multi-user Instagram account. Remember, the key lies in being vigilant and proactive. We hope this guide will help you in keeping your Instagram account secure. Stay safe and keep gramming.